Hello, my friend. Today we talk about love, friendship, and heartbreak. This is a sad story. Imagine a girl. She has a boyfriend. They love each other. They are happy together. They trust each other. They share dreams, laughter, and small moments. But there is a problem. A friend of hers likes the same boy. The friend is close to her. They talk, laugh, and spend time together. But secretly, the friend wants the boyfriend too. At first, everything is fine. The girl feels safe. She believes in love. She believes in trust. She believes in friendship. She believes her boyfriend loves her. They go on trips together. They eat together. They watch movies together. They share hobbies. They laugh every day. They feel happy. They plan for the future. But slowly, something changes. The friend becomes closer to the boyfriend. She laughs at his jokes more. She talks to him when the girl is not there. She shares secrets. She shares interests. The girl notices small things. She feels nervous. She feels uneasy. She feels her heart hurting. One day, the truth comes out. The boyfriend, he starts to spend more time with the friend. He laughs with her. He talks with her. He goes out with her without telling the girl. The girl feels shocked. She feels betrayed. She feels sad. She feels angry. Her heart is broken. She asks, "Why are you doing this?" He says nothing. He looks down. He avoids her eyes. She cries. She cries a lot. She cries every night. She cannot eat. She cannot sleep. She feels lonely. She feels lost. The friend. She smiles. She enjoys the boy. She knows the girl is sad. She knows she is hurting her friend. But she does not stop. The girl tries to talk to the boyfriend. She tries to save the love. She tries to remind him of happiness they shared. But he does not listen. He is gone. He chooses the friend. The girl feels empty. She feels betrayed. She feels she cannot trust people. She feels love is gone. Let's practice simple sentences from this story. I love him very much. We are happy together. I trust him. But he changed. The girl remembers the happy moments. She remembers the laughter. She remembers the trips. She remembers the movies. She remembers the dinners. She remembers the promises. But they are gone. She feels pain. She feels sorrow. She feels disappointment. She feels alone. But life goes on. She learns slowly. She learns about trust. She learns about love. She learns about betrayal. She learns to protect her heart. She learns to be strong. She cries. She cries again. She walks alone on the beach. She watches the sunset. She breathes. She thinks, one day, I will be happy again. Remember, my friend, love can be happy. Love can be sad. Love can bring joy. Love can bring heartbreak. Friendship can be true. Friendship can be false. Sometimes people make mistakes. Sometimes people choose others. But always, always protect your heart. Always be kind. Always be brave. Always believe that happiness will come again. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time. Remember, love is real, life is long. Be strong, be kind, and keep your heart open.